I'm gonna show you how to cook some fucking chicken old school style from a recipe from 1736, an old English recipe. Now, obviously, we don't have all the right exact shit that them motherfuckers would have had back in the day and shit, because they would have been cooking with lard over a fucking fire in a big old fucking cast iron pot and all kinds of shit, you know. But basically, what you do is you take some fucking some malt vinegar, and they would have used green field onions and shit like that, and a bay leaf and some fucking shit or whatever. But what we don't have the field onions, so we just chop a fucking onion up, put some vinegar in that bitch, some pepper, and some lemon juice and shit. And they would marinate that chicken for 3 hours and shit. So we don't have the fucking all the right shit. So, but I mean, you know, it's basically the same fucking thing: onion, vinegar, all that shit. You know, we marinate it and all that. So the next thing that they would have did in that recipe, they would have took us right here 1.5 cups of flour, just like that, and then they would have took some fucking white vinegar. Not white vinegar, white wine. And they would have fucking started stirring some of that in there and made it up about the consistency of like a light pancake batter and shit. Like that. And back in the day, in the old recipes and shit, they didn't say a teaspoon of this or a cup of that. They'd like a dash of this and a dash of that and a pinch of this and that and shit and throw it motherfucker on the fire and all this other shit. And anyway, that's really some good wine. You gotta taste it. Make sure the wine's good before you be fucking up your bird and all. You're just gonna go ahead on and put wine up in that motherfucker like that. I'm gonna put you some fucking pea and make you a batter and shit. I ain't never did this, so it could end up fucked up. So we'll just have to see. I think we're getting it now. And they would fucking mix that shit up with like a twig or some shit. Yeah, I think we're getting it now. That's right. Also in here, they would have took some lemon zest. And not all of motherfuckers had lemon zest. You had to have a big, you know, you had to be fucking have a little bit of cash and some fucking clout and shit back in the day if you needed that. Then you got a teaspoon of fucking salt. Stir that shit up, man. Just like that. Alright. Next thing I'm gonna do is fry your egg yolks. Separate them fucking yolks from that white part of the fucking egg and dump that shit up in that motherfucker. Just like that. Let's make it your batter. That's right. All right. Now we got our batter. And the next thing the motherfuckers did back in the colonial times, well, then they fucking took a bird and they dipped that shit up in that bitch. I'm gonna put 3 pieces in that motherfucker. Because I'm not, if this shit don't taste good, I'm not fucking all my bird up. They never made it like this. That's right. You know, we took that bitch and put it in that fucking frying pan. And the frying pan that we're using today is a 138-year-old frying pan. This will bring my temperature to like 350. You see the fucking... Alright, so this is what it looks like. Nice and golden brown, crunchy and crispy looking motherfucker looks like that. Now this piece over here, I amped this one up and added some buttermilk to my batter and shit. And we're gonna fucking, after this all done, I'm gonna try the one with the buttermilk in that bitch. And it kind of seems strange when you mix buttermilk and wine and shit together, so I don't know how that's gonna come out. And this right here, that's your old Colonial fucking recipe. And if I don't like none of this shit, none of it ever tastes good, I make sure I tell you, say, you know not to make none of that. And we just go ahead on and make it the right way and dip some fucking flour in that shit, you know what I'm saying? Dip the shit in some flour and fry the chicken like it's supposed to be, you know? But it's worth trying some Colonial chicken and see how the fucking, how George had this fucking shit. George Washington and all them motherfuckers ate that shit. You know? With fucking wooden teeth and fucking fried bird with fucking wine and vinegars and all that other shit. And we're gonna see how that motherfucker comes out now. Let me flip that bitch over and I'll show you the goldenness of this son of a bitch. That's a golden motherfucker. Ain't no doubt about that. But is it like a golden fried fucking batter? I don't know. We gonna find out. It look like fucking chickens, man. This chicken probably weighed 20 pounds, was probably about 3 weeks old. They fucking a little bit of a steroid diet, man. Fucking a chicken ain't supposed to have no fucking leg that fucking big. It look like a damn turkey drumstick. Anyway, this one right here is in the thinner batter. That's this shit like that. And I'm not gonna fuck with it because the most important thing when you frying your fucking chicken is don't fuck with it. Just let that shit sit in that bitch and fry until it's fucking you see the goldenness on the side of there, and then you flip that bitch over and stuff. So I'm gonna fucking do a video continuation on this in a minute if I can see how that fucking that Colonial bird tastes. You know, that's kind of strange. I ain't never ate no shit fried like that, but we'll see. This motherfucker try this shit out, man, and see if this shit's any good or not. He look like he likes that shit. You know, to me it seemed fucking, it's so damn crunchy. I mean, if you want crispy, crunchy chicken, that's the fucking way to fly, man. But that's probably how George Washington broke his teeth while he was wearing the wooden ones, like, you know, they say. That shit's pretty motherfucking tough. I mean, the chicken and all is right, but the chicken's good. But the damn fucking, it's nice and golden and everything. But I think we're gonna fucking just do this motherfucker here traditionally.